Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. So first off, I already have products in my hair. I have the got2b gel and the shave moisture. I literally only wear these two products ever. Like I literally never wear anything else. But so my hair is freshly washed and I have a product in. The product in my hair, I'm just going to section off my hair. Usually the only way that I ever section off my hair is by parting off the crown. I'll just part off my hair right now, and then while I do my hair I'll go and fix it, but for now I just leave it like that because I really don't care. I had to do my edges real quick. Don't come for me, they irritate me a lot. Okay, so first things first, I always go through sectionally. I do smaller sections, and then as I make my way up I do bigger and bigger sections. So for literally every single section I just kind of brush down, and then I grab the pieces, and most of the time they will already kind of like divide themselves, so I'll just grab those hairs and like finger coil them a little bit. Go again in, so I'm gonna just keep showing you guys. I just kind of go like that. I grab, like, you see how they're already like kind of like distributed, if that makes sense. I'll just go in and like grab those pieces and go like that. So my curly hair routine does not take me a long time, like at all. Like I usually finish my hair within like 10 minutes or so. The only part that takes me the longest is my crown, but that's just because I'm a perfectionist and I like to like get my hair perfect. But if you don't do this in front of a mirror, even better, because if you're like me who likes to get every single piece to be perfect, no frizzy hair. So then when I get to this top area, because my head is longer up here, I will just split it into two and then go like that, and then just do it. You could do it in one round, but personally I like to do it just like this because it's better. Okay, now that I finished both sections, since my crown is really unevenly parted, I'm just gonna take my hair and basically like make it even, so as even as I can. So I'll go like that to make it a straight line. Hold on, let me part it real quick off camera because I feel like I'm not gonna make sense if I keep showing you guys. See, like that, like I'll just make it the straightest I can, and then I'll just go in and do my curly hair routine as normal with that piece that I just took out. I'll go ahead and style this piece real quick like that, how I did the rest of my hair. So I'll just kind of keep taking hair away from the middle part until I like the size of the middle part. So now all you're gonna do is brush forward. Just brush your, oh, make sure you try to not get hairs from the side parts. If you do, it's fine. It's an easy fix. Okay, so you're just kind of gonna go forward. When you're brushing it in the middle and like you're not touching the side parts and there's just hairs that are pulling out, just let the hair pull it. It's just hairs that got trapped inside. So now you're going to part it. You can decide if you want to part it straight. Usually the farther in the back, that I don't care if they're straight or not because you can't even tell. The ones in the front you do have to make a little more straight because those are more visible. So what I do is I kind of just keep brushing my hair back until like it's like flat like that, and then I just kind of like boom like that. I just leave it. To be honest, I don't finger coil, I don't do anything to them. I just leave them alone. If they look good, they look good. If they don't, they don't. I usually do this to 3 sections, so that's section 1, and then I'll do this to section 2 right here, which this section does have to be straight. I don't know why it keeps turning out like a U, so let me just get that straight real quick. Okay, that's better. That's straight. I don't know why it looks so lopsided. You know what, it's fine. Okay, so then after that I'll do the same thing that I did with this hair and just brush it back. I recommend doing this section in front of a mirror because if not it's going to be really difficult. So then when you feel like your hair is brushed enough, you're just going to go like that and drop it, and boom. You just gotta hope that it looks good. Now for this front section right here, I do recommend putting more product on it or wetting it more if it looks like something like this where it's like being frizzy in the front. Okay, so I just wet it, and now you're just gonna brush forward and you're just going to low-key finger coil all these hairs perfectly, because these are the hairs that everybody is going to see. Boom. So this is how I'm going to finger coil them. They look really dumb because it looks like I literally have no hair. So then you're going to grab a headband or a clip or anything. I personally use a headband because it's like better for me. And then I'm just going to just flip my hair back like that and put the headband on. And then leave it like that. Like I'm going to put the headband on like this. Like literally like that. If it's bumpy like that up, it doesn't matter, just leave it like that. Now I'm going to let my hair air dry. I will be back when my hair is dry, and I'll let you guys know if I use a diffuser or anything, which most likely no. I usually always air dry my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what I do. Make sure you don't take the headband off until your hair is fully dry, and don't try to like lay on your hair until it's fully dry. So I'll be back in a couple hours when my hair is fully dry. Okay guys, it's been a couple hours and my hair is like mostly wet. It's like, it's not wet, but like some pieces are just like a little, like, you know when you like run water on your shirt but your shirt isn't real wet? That's like what my hair is getting right now, so it's basically dry. Now we're gonna take the headband off because my hair feels, make sure if you're wearing like a headband like mine, make sure your hair doesn't get trapped in the teeth or whatever they're called, because it will cause your hair to be frizzy when it pulls on it. And yeah. Oof, my head is so flat. Oh my god. Okay, then you're just kind of gonna, personally I just kind of go in and like floof out my hair a little bit. Oh my god, my head is so flat. And first of all, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do a mid part, side part, no, nothing at all. I don't know. My hair feels so freaking soft. Hello. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And my hair got really weighed down. I'm actually in shock, and my hair is getting so long, guys. Like, let me show you guys my hair. It's getting so long. I'm so freaking excited. I think I'm gonna do a side part. I don't really know. My hair is so soft. Like, tomorrow when I wake up, my hair's gonna look so different. So like, I can't really be like judge of how my hair looks like right now. So this piece right here is a piece that went back like that, and it's not fully dry, so I'm not gonna take it apart, because if you take apart your hair, I'm like, why do I look so goofy? And it's because my light wasn't on. I forgot to turn my light on. I turned it off and I didn't turn it back on. But anyways, so yeah, this, if you know, you cannot pull your curls apart when they're like moist or wet. You either do it when it's wet or when it's dry. But when it's like humid or like a little damp, do not pull your curls apart. Wait till it's fully dry, because you will end up with a whole bunch of unnecessary frizz. I can't tell if I like this side part or not. Like, every time I look at myself in camera, like I can't tell if I like it or not. I definitely do think that I prefer it the way the side part I just had, just because like I don't know what's going on right there. Like, bruh, there's only, and when I pull his hair down, I feel like I just look insane. I'm editing this and I literally have no idea where the ending went. I don't know if I made one. I don't know if I got deleted. I can't find it. I don't know where it's at. So I'm just gonna say I hope you guys enjoyed my curly hair routine, and I helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys tried it and it worked for you guys. And yeah, just I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good rest of your guys' day.